Alright, lamb cradle foot pedal upgrade kit. So first thing we're going to do is remove all the arms and buckets, because we'll be doing some drilling later. But for now we're going to install the counter clicker here. It's not too many parts, it's really simple to install. All these holes are pre-drilled, so this first bolt's easier if someone holds the handle down so you can get in there. And then the clicker just bolts into those pre-drilled holes on that plate there. So it's important here that it's pointed down to 4 or 5 o'clock.
4 o'clock on the clock. So 4 to 5 o'clock on the angle of that. And then now you can see it's working in conjunction with the clicker. Numbers again.
Those are the holes there at the back. So this is what it'll look like with the foot pedal. So first thing we're going to be attaching is the foot pedal itself. First hole we'll need to drill is a 13mm hole. It's measured 255mm from the ground directly up onto the leg. Once you've drilled it, just bolt straight in. Next hole is on the arm. So this one is also a 13mm hole. It's measured 480mm from the handle end. And once you've drilled that hole in, just bolts in as well. Now here's the part where you have to tinker around with the tightness of the bolts, just to be able to make sure that that spring actually does come back up with your handle and foot pedal. Once you've got it, it should work fine. Now onto drilling the holes on the arms and buckets. This one is a 6mm hole on the arm, measured 250mm from the base end. So we're going to drill this into all 5 bucket arms. And it's really important that you drill all the way through to the other side like so. Right, now this is the return arm spring will sit with the bucket arm. So first we drill a 6mm hole into the top right of the bucket latch. And it's a bit easier if you do this with the arm and the bucket separated because they get in the way of each other. So now we've got all the holes drilled. We're going to put the R-clips on the springs. And once we've done that, the R-clip will go into the arm, like so, and the spring will go into that bucket latch hole that we've just made, and making sure that it goes all the way through. Now that we've done that with all of them, we're going to put it back onto the cradle. And right here, we're just pushing down on the buckets to simulate a lamb coming out of the cradle, and the spring will pull the bucket back up and then lock it into place.